Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's find of the week. And it is something for the garden. And you can tell by these gorgeous feathers, it is a peacock. And it comes in two pieces. And you can see the bottom here. And it's made to be out in the garden or on the patio or wherever you would like it to be. I'll set it right here on this stone. But you can see it's made to have a rustic type of patina. So it's got rust spots on it, but it's a beautiful, almost like a teal blue. And then it goes down to kind of a greenish color, a greenish chartreuse. So it's just really pretty. You can move these, you know, however you want to make them flare out. And then you'll see down here on the back is where you're going to put the tail. So here's the tail. It comes in two pieces. Beautifully fanned tail. And this thing's about 2 feet tall. Here you can see all you have to do to put it together is put the little holes, or put the little spikes right there in the holes, just like that. And then it holds. And I'm going to show you, it's a pretty big tail. Let me get it more in the shade over here where you can see it. See how beautiful that is? The color on this piece and the blues, like it's got that real pretty gray blue and then dusky blue, and then with the chipping in it with the rust, it just really brings out the blue, and then the beautiful almost chartreuse green. It's a really pretty piece. If I come too far out, I still have some sunlight here, so it's gonna get into my picture, but there you can kind of see it. She's about 2 feet tall and probably 2.5 feet wide. But we got these cute little guys up on the website at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques. Go in and check them out and give us a like on Facebook.